am I doing? Tinkering with a gas tank. So if you want to watch me tinker, I'm trying to get the filter thing out, which won't come out. Apparently they never come out. So here we go. This is the gas tank. This is the little filter piece. I was told they never want to come out. So I'm trying to get the remnants of this out of here. I don't know. It does not want to come out. It's a little pair of pliers here. I'm trying to pull it out, but it won't come out. Here's the little... Let me take the little rubber seal off that's probably 1,000,000 years old. Oh, come on. Okay. We got the fancy seal off. But now the little basket thing won't come out. Am I doing this right? I have no idea. I'm not a Honda expert. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Got part of it out. Why is it so stuck? Probably 500 years worth of crap in there, that's why. Give me a vice grip. Let's see. Nope. But it won't come out. Let me get a little toothpick here. So they can pick its brain. Where'd it go? It's all rusty in there. See? Well, came out your side. Alright. So we need some long nose pliers. I'll be right back. Come on. Long nose pliers, huh? Shit. stickers. Here's a good tip. Anytime you see medical tools, pick them up, because you can pick up stuff like this. They want to come out. Anyway, see this? It's for cutting arteries, but it makes a good grabby thing. I checked online, this thing's worth about $100. It's paid like $10 for a whole pile of medical stuff, and this works great for grabbing things. So anyway, if the decals are right, this is an 86, and if my get a flashlight in here, I could probably see what's going on here. From the looks of it, this tank does not have a good zap of a vapor rust. Should get rid of most of the rest in here. There's there's a decent amount of rust, but it's not terrible. The other thing I noticed about this tank is there's a hole right here which looks partly rusted and partly like someone jammed something through it. There's one here, so I'm gonna grind all this down. And there's a hole right next to here which looks like someone stabbed it because it's bent. So I don't know if it looks like it's got a bend in it. So I will do my best to plug that with something. I'm gonna try soldering it right here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a piece of silicone or something stuck in here. Got some rust here. I think if I lead this, evaporize the inside and give it a shot with some paint, it should be pretty good. And some new decals. It's pretty good. The other tank I have a 85 tank. I have another tank that has a very, very pristine interior and a huge dent in it. So, but if anybody has a clue, what in the world did they originally, line this with? Because there's, is that a nickel? Is it zinc? Because I'm thinking of making I don't know, it sounds crazy, but I'm thinking of taking another tank and making a series of copper, because it's not very big inside, but when you do electroplating, you need a lot of anodes to cover it. So I'm thinking of just making, putting some zinc. I'm thinking of putting zinc anodes all over inside and just dropping in a vat of the, the anode juice there. And just running a positive and negative charge and just put it all inside and just let it do the whole inside. Because I can't seem to find a place that will replate a gas tank. Everybody has all these commercial epoxies, but they originally coated this with something, and they coat gas tanks. And I've seen some people say they've had the whole gas tank inside and out nickel plated. Why can't it be done? So, if anybody knows a place that does hot dipping, was it a hot dip nickeling? Christ, if I have to get this thing bronzed, I will. Actually, I should find a place that does bronze plating for shoes. And they dip your shoes in. You're a kid. Maybe they can bronze plate it or something. I don't know. It's a good tank. Surprisingly, it has 0 dents and some stickers on it. So, thanks for watching. It's tinkering with tanks. This is what I do at night. Just tinkering around and putsky around. I'm gonna I'm probably do this one myself. I'm gonna see if the guy at DH Restorations this winter wants to do that tank for me, and the other one, because I don't have the patience to start pulling dents. I probably should buy a dent puller, but it'd be fun. Excuse to buy a new tool, right? So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell me you like my channel, and stay tuned.